Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Jake and Emma.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here. Today we'll talk about something very important, how to be a good English student.
That's right. If you want to learn English faster and have more fun, this lesson is for you.
We'll share easy daily habits and study tips you can start using today.
So stay with us till the end. We'll also give you a simple daily plan to follow every day.
And don't forget, hit the subscribe button and the like button so you don't miss any new lessons.
All right, let's begin.
A good English student starts the day with English.
Yes, just 5 minutes in the morning can make a big difference.
For example, when you wake up, you can say short sentences in English.
Like, good morning, or today is a beautiful day.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us. Good morning.
One more time. Today is a beautiful day.
Perfect.
You can also listen to a short English song or podcast while brushing your teeth or making breakfast.
That's right. The key is make English part of your everyday life. Many students say, I don't have time to study English.
Yes. But here's a secret. You don't need hours. You just need a plan.
Let's make one together, an easy daily study plan.
Okay, morning. Listen to something in English for 5 minutes. Afternoon. Read one short paragraph in English. Evening. Write 2 or 3 sentences about your day.
So simple, and it really works.
Let's repeat it together for practice. Morning, listen. Afternoon, read. Evening, write.
Perfect. You can write, for example, I went to the market, I met my friend, we talked about food.
That's an easy way to practice grammar and vocabulary.
Now, this is my favorite part. Use English in real life.
Yes, don't just study. Use what you learn.
For example, when you order food or talk to friends online, try using small English phrases.
Let's do a little role play.
Hi, can I have a coffee, please?
Sure. Would you like milk or sugar?
Just milk, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. See? So simple, but powerful.
Yes, and you can also practice with a friend or even with yourself in the mirror.
That's right. Repeat the lines 2 or 3 times every day.
For example, say, can I have some water, please? Let's say it together.
Can I have some water, please?
Once more.
Can I have some water, please? Excellent.
Jake, what is shadowing?
Good question. Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and speaking at the same time.
Oh, like an echo.
Exactly. You repeat what you hear just a little behind the speaker.
That helps with pronunciation and listening skills.
Yes. For example, listen to us and repeat. I want to learn English every day.
Let's do it slowly together.
I want to learn English every day.
Again, a little faster.
I want to learn English every day.
Nice. You sound great. Many students feel shy about writing.
Yes, but writing helps you remember words and build confidence.
You can start small. Just write 2 or 3 sentences a day.
For example, today I studied English. I learned new words. I feel happy.
You can write it in a notebook or even on your phone.
And if you can, share it in the comments. We'll read some of them next time.
Now, this one is so important. Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Yes, mistakes mean you're learning.
When you make a mistake, you learn how to do better next time.
That's how we all learn. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
So remember, be kind to yourself, smile and keep going.
Let's say it together. Mistakes help me learn.
Mistakes help me learn.
One more time.
Mistakes help me learn.
Perfect.
A good English student also reviews.
Yes, review means look again.
At the end of each week, look at your notes or your writing.
See what you learned and what you need to practice more.
Maybe you learn new words like beautiful, listen, or practice.
You can make small flashcards or use an app to remember them.
And of course, keep watching English videos like this one.
Okay, friends. Let's review what we learned today.
First, start your day in English.
Second, make an easy daily plan. Listen, read, and write.
Third, use English in real life. Don't just study, speak.
Fourth, shadow and repeat for better pronunciation.
Fifth, write a few sentences every day.
And sixth, don't be afraid of mistakes. They help you learn.
You're doing amazing. Now let's do a quick quiz. Question 1. What should you do in the morning? A. Watch TV in your language. B. Listen to something in English. C. Sleep again.
Hee. The answer is B. Listen to something in English.
Question 2. How many sentences should you write every day? A 2 or 3B 20C. None.
The answer is A. 2 or 3 sentences.
You got it.
You're doing great, my friends. Remember, learning English is a journey, not a race.
Yes, practice a little every day, and you will see big results.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.
And here's your challenge. Write in the comments, how do you practice English every day?
We'll read some of your answers in our next video.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Keep smiling, keep learning, and we'll see you next time.